Hello, my student ID is 22122. So like we're going to walk through the codes of there. Just open it up. Yeah. Okay, wait. Let me just open it up properly. I just need to open the whole folder. Yeah. There you go. Let's just open it up. Let's go to index.html. So yeah, let us walk through the code. So just so yeah, this is the basic website, and that's the footer. That's the navigation bar, car for sale, like that's the login page. You can add the page and you can register. That's the registration form, that's for the search, and that's the about us page. So yeah, just go to the code now. For the about us page, we got a navigation header. Like these are the code, like I put the navigation section in between. That's for the header. I had like in the header I got like the image, this one was here. All these homes are car for sale registration, origin, all of them are in the A section, a link. So yeah, all these are in the a link, including the header, but like I put in another div as the header. So for the main section I put the main section and the section. So we got like the featured cars with a car list of class car with a source image, and I made the same div as the car, like 3 of them with different pictures, different prices and different model. So we can show these 3 are the different ones. And for the main content, welcome to our website, I put this just text as a hero section over here. So and that's the footer over there. So yeah, basic website. And for the styling, that's the body, like I just put the sans serif Arial family text. And for the background image, I was planning to put the background like a car like as a background, but later I didn't, so it's just there. It didn't hurt, so I didn't remove it. I can like add. I was not sure, so I'm not gonna put any background. So for the header, that's the color, that's the background color, and that's padding for 10 pixel. So yep, for all the headers, like just most of the image part, yeah. And for the header a image, so I had like the nav a, like, so I put the code like this, but I had to like select the header of image separately because this a so I did put the link in the picture as well, so it was just getting covered by this one. Wherever there was one hover, it was like a big white background in there, so I just had to differently select it with a height of 100 pixel and with order. And for the navigation bar, I put the flex to arrange all those in a flex box, and got a space between, so there will be like it just arrange itself easily. And to arrange its center, like this is a basic code. And for the nav, so this is the so that's just this one. This, like, I got it from the Font Awesome. I was planning to use it, but I was unable to be frank. I was gonna use it to make it more responsive. I was gonna put like a burger menu over there, but I did a lot of research and like tried, but couldn't put it in. I didn't know what made wrong. This in the media queries, not in JavaScript, but the media queries didn't properly work out with me, so I just like let it be. And for the navigation A, it's just the code, normal code. So it's just the transition for the navigation A hover, and header A hover is just goes like that. Button, for the buttons, like every button is like that. For the background, so I just put the background color of white. So whenever I hover the button, it just like blends in, not like for example this one. Yeah, whenever I hover, it's just got the background color of white. So not really properly working out. That one, but this one got like white color, and I can like really select it, but it's just a matter of color, so it's all good. And for the main content, I just did these ones. So moving on to the form part, so I got like forms in this section over here. Like we got some forms for registration, so it's just name, address, phone number, email. So all those forms are form groups. So for the forms we got like display flex, direction column, align item center. It's just to arrange them the way they are arranged, like this, the way, like horizontally. So, and these are just the like written margins to arrange them properly. And for the form group, just to arrange them nicely. That's all I did, like arrange it, but it was like on the left and vertically. So I had like that's good. Just arrange it the way it is. For the label, display inline block, and so these labels are for this. So I had like put a label in between for these ones, like these. So I can like put a placeholder in there, but it just looks good the way it is, so I did not actually. And for the input types, so these are all the input types text, and so I did like put a comma in there, just like I did select them all to put the padding and all. So submit is kind of button, so I just did the arrangement. So cursor pointer whenever I like over them, and like border pixel, it's just the same like common thing. Just did the transition over there. And input, and for the input type, submit to hover. So whenever I like some hover in the submit, just change the color like that. The background color will be white and the text color will be 444. Yeah, it's just a matter of color. I can change those color, like but it just suits the background. Just it blends in the white. Just looks good the way it is, but footer. So for the footer, it's just the normal code. And so as per the assignment question, now we got like some focus. So whenever like we are in the funcs username, like whenever you are typing for the form, it should like glow yellow or something. So I just put normal yellow color in there. And it's just for the about section. So just the same code going on. So you say staff name, staff position, and just normal thing. Staff name, font awesome, font weight, and like staff position. That's for the about section. Yeah. So these are the staff members, staff names, and there's a text, normal codes, and for the card list. So the one we saw in the home menu, these are the card list over there. So for the card list, I just made it like to make it a bit flexible. So flex basis calculus, so it's 100% divided by 3 is 33.33 minus 20 pixel for the margin. Align center, so just to align the text in, and background color is this white kind of F1. Box shadow, just did the box shadowing a bit. So you got like the box shadow, this small, just on that. For the cars, flex basis, for the is to make it a bit flexible. Is the car list is in flex wrap, and space between. For the image, it's like 100% fixing. So just like I made I think I made a container somewhere. I couldn't find it right now, but I just like, so it just covers the 100%. And for the this is the media query over there for the media for the car, this one. So just to when the screen size is 760 pixel or less, then it will just fit in 2 of the pixels, and when it's like 180, it will just fit one of the pixels. It's the same code with the 20% pixel. I didn't put the padding space over here because it just fit 1 pixel. So for menu style, for the about section, so it's just S1, S2, P, staff list, staff member image. So I just had to make it a bit responsive. So margin right 0. It's like working out a bit. Just like I did some arrangement, like I did here and there, and then it just worked out. So for the sorts, so we need to like enter the model and the location, just so to display the model and location. So there are none in the section, that's why it's just like there is none. And so when we got like some database on here, so we can find those items using the JavaScript. So let's go to the script. So these are the one of like so I did some some model. So just let the model variable, so you just get element by id by model and location by location, and put in the value model and location. So whenever I results div, so the results div, the div just shows the results. So the variable results div equals document regular results. So just in the results section, so just get the id from here and results are div dot inner html. So whenever like you just insert the html, inner html, just put the text in the results div. So from the results div, you just go to the result, so it will just display the thing. That's it. So whenever like you search for the button, and that's the code generally about us. This is the form and basic HTML CSS going on, nothing that fancy, just took a bit of time for me, and that's the code. Yeah, that's it.